as what I mentioned earlier, our plan was only to buy one piece of cake, one layer piece of cake. But what happened was, you know what I'm happy about is they did a, well, we just dropped our car here, somewhere here in Kempt Road for a rust inhibitor touch-up, and it's gonna cost us around $39 plus tax, so it's gonna be $40 plus. I'm just gonna mention it later on once it is done already. And right now it's so cold, and no, not so cold. Yeah, I'm just overreacting. It's kind of cold already, so then it's drizzling, and then there are some occasions also that flurries are appearing. So because today is November already and we are approaching the winter season already in a month or more. Yeah, because I think it's December. So oh my god, I think it's gonna rain. It's just a light rain. Yeah, so that begins our day after we had a 15-kilometer run this morning. So you may be wondering why you could see at my back here. I don't know if you could see it at the back. There are a couple of car brands here. Yeah, because this street here in Halifax, it's called Kempt Road. This is a street where there are car dealers as well. And we are walking right now over there. We are walking in this area going to McDonald's because we didn't have a good deal right now with Tim Hortons for our breakfast, because we haven't eaten breakfast. We rushed our way here because we were already late for our appointment on our touch inhibitor, touch-up in rust inhibitor for our car. Oh my god! Wait. This string over here, my camera is just flying around. Right, it's tied up now. Yeah, because we're supposed to just have coffee and then some pastries at home, but we don't have any time for that. So we might try McDonald's right now if they have a good deal. I think they have a good deal because we saw before that they have, they have this deal where you could get coffee plus a muffin, and it's only $4. So we're gonna check that. $4 plus tax, or maybe $5 plus tax. Our deal in Tim Hortons is not like that. So we just compared it. It's just maybe, I think the walk is just less than a kilometer, and then after we eat our breakfast, we might go to Toyota and Lexus also. And yep, so we are just going to walk now and check if we could have a good breakfast in McDonald's. If not, we'll find something else. So McDonald's is already here. It's just right across us. So it's just a less than a kilometer away walk. And then we're just gonna cross the road. Right, here we are. Mac Cafe. Here you go. Oh, they have that $1 coffee over there. And then their extra large is $1.75. Oh, they have the breakfast burrito here. Let's try it. Alright, so this is what we got. It's only, how much was that? We paid $6.88. We got 2 coffees, medium, because if we are going to convert it to extra large, we'll have to add 52 cents. And then we have the muffins. So here, so basically it's only $2.99 each. So this is what that you could get in McDonald's. So we have a double coffee here. Oh, sorry. Yeah, so this is our breakfast, and it's a pretty good deal because it's just $6 for two muffins, and then Kay and I could just share the muffins if you want to try each other's muffins. We just don't want to eat a heavy breakfast today because we are going to have a heavy buffet later in the evening because we are going to attend a concert. We were invited by our friends to go to that concert. It's just so unique because the concert has a buffet dinner. So I don't know what kind of food they are going to serve, but the performers are all Filipinos as well. So yep, that is gonna be one of our main event for this Saturday. Oh my god, coffee so good. Just imagine. Oh yeah, $6 only for breakfast. Well, not bad. I think it's still worth it rather than spending $20-$30 for a breakfast. And in fairness, the muffins are good. So I was looking for So I was looking for I ordered for the carrot muffins. It just so happened that they don't have it, which is disappointing, honestly, because carrot muffins or carrot cake, that's my favorite. So I just ended up with getting this cranberry muffin. It's still good though, but not as good as the carrot. Then Kay got the chocolate muffin, brownie chocolate muffin, which is undeniably good as well. We're just biased to chocolate. So the touch-up is done already, and we spent, how much is the total? It's $44.85. So that is a touch-up for the under chassis of the car, or not under chassis, also the everything under the car for the rust inhibitor. And you know what I'm happy about is they did a quick wash in the car because we haven't washed the car in a while, and you can see the car, it's shiny, bright. Look at that. Used to be very dirty, so it's shiny again. So I would recommend Perma Shine. So Perma Shine here at the back. So they are located at Kempt Road. I'll put the address on the description below. Yeah, so the service here, if you are going to have your rust proofing for your car, do it here. And by the way, I am not sponsored by Perma Shine. I just mentioned them because I was just so happy with the service that I got. We are going now to Costco again to buy a cake because we are going to a friend's house because we were invited to we were invited for a lunch, and so our plan today is just to buy a cake. That is just the plan for today. So we don't know what might happen later on, and we are going there already. So it's pretty cold now. Yeah, so as what I mentioned earlier, our plan was only to buy one piece of cake. one layer piece of cake. But what happened was we we bought two pieces of cake. You know why we bought the other one? Because this this one, the Belgian double chocolate mousse cake is on sale, or was on sale. It's $4. No, it's $6 off. So from 29.99, it's already, six 23.99 or $24. So it was worth it. And we were thinking that we should just buy this one when it's on sale. And then eventually, when we came here today, it's a Sunday. It it was on sale already. So of course we bought it because it's on sale already. So that's why we always wait that something would be on sale, especially in Costco, because things would be on sale as well. And then the other one that we bought, this is the one that we are going to bring at our friend's house for lunch. It's the English toffee cheesecake. We've tried it before already. It's thick, it's delicious. I think this is one of the best cheesecakes that we've ever tried ever in Costco, and it's only $29.99 or $30. So I think this is a 12-inch. The size of this is 12 inches, the diameter, and yeah. So we bought two cakes instead of one cake.